Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn Physics. Now today I will be discussing the single correct option from significant digit, error and operations of significant digit. Now question number 1. Percentage error in the measurement of mass and speed be 2% and 3% respectively. The error in measurement of kinetic energy. Now look at this here, delta m by m, this equal to 2%. Okay. Delta v by v, this equal to 3%. Now we have to calculate delta k by k. Now we know k equal to, this is the half mv square. Therefore delta k by k, this equal to delta m by m plus 2 delta v by v. Now look at this, v by v is 3%, delta m by m is 2%. Therefore 2% plus 2 into 3%, so this is the 8%. Okay, so option C is correct. Understood? Next. Now question number 2. The density of a cube is measured by measuring mass and length of its side. The maximum error in measurement of mass, that is delta m by m, this equal to, this is the 4%. Okay. And delta L by L, this is the 3%. Now we have to calculate the error in measurement of density. Now D equal to mass by volume. Now volume of the cube L cube, so this is the mass by L cube. Therefore from this figure, delta D by D, this equal to, this is the delta m by m plus 3 into delta L by L. Now delta L by L is the 3%, delta m by m is the 4%. Therefore 4% plus 3 into 3%, therefore this is the 13%. Okay, understood? Now D is the correct option. Okay, now next. Now question number 3. A force is applied on a square plate of side L. If the percentage error in determination of L is 2% and force is 4%. Look at this. Delta F by F, this is the 4%. Delta L by L equal to 2%. Now we have to calculate delta P by P, where P equal to force by area, that is force divided by area, that is L square. Now from this condition we can get delta P by P, this equal to, this is the delta F by F plus 2 into delta L by L. Now look at this, delta L by L is the 2%. Delta F by F is the 4%. So look at this, this is the 4% plus 2 into 2%. So this is the 8%. Okay. The option is, this is the A. Okay. Understood? Now next. Now sum number 4. By what percentage should the pressure of a given mass of gas be increased so as to decrease its volume by 10% at constant temperature? Okay. Suppose initial pressure be P and volume be V. Final pressure be P dash, and look at this, volume is decreased by 10%. So final volume becomes 90 by 100 V. Now V and V cancel out. So here P dash equal to, this is the 100 by 90 into P. So this is the 1.111 of P. That is, this is the 111.1% of P. Therefore, P is increased by this minus 100, that is 11.1%. Option A is correct. Understood? Now, next. Now, question number 5. If momentum of a particle is increased by 100%, then percentage increase in kinetic energy of the particle is. Look at this. The kinetic energy K, this is the P square by 2m. Okay, where K is the initial kinetic energy and P is the initial momentum. Okay, now the momentum is increased by 100%. Now 100% increase of momentum, that momentum increase from P to 2P. Okay, now kinetic energy K dash, this is the 2P whole square divided by 2m. So look at this, this is the 4 into P square by 2m, that is, this is the 4K. Now 4K means 400% of K. So K becomes, look at this, 400% of K. Therefore, increment of K, this is the 400 minus 100, that is the 300%. Okay, understood? The number of significant figure of 3400. Look at this, the zeros at the right side of non-zero digits are not significant. So here number of significant digit is only 3 and 4. So this is the 2. Now question number 7. Length breadth of a metal sheet is 3.124 and 3.002 meter respectively. The area of this sheet up to a correct significant figure. Look at this. Length has 4 significant figure. Breadth has 4 significant figure. So area also be 4 significant figure. So only A has 4 significant figure. So answer is A. Okay. Now question number 8. Let G be the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth's surface and K its rotational kinetic energy. Suppose the Earth's radius decreased by 2%. Now other physical quantity remain constant. Now what is the correct option? We know small g equal to Gm by R square. Therefore, from here delta G by G, this equal to, this is the minus 2 delta R by R. Okay. Look at this, here radius decreased by 2%. So look at this, this is the minus 2 into minus 2%. So this is the 4%. Therefore, acceleration due to gravity is increased by 4%. Now options are, look at this, 4% increment of G only B. So B is the correct answer. Okay. Now next. Question number 9. The heat generated by a circuit is depend upon the resistance, current, time for which the current is flown. The error in measurement are 1%, 2% and 1%. That is error in resistance, that is delta R by R. This is the 1%. Delta I by I, this is the 2%. And delta T by T, this also 1%. Now we have to calculate the maximum error in measurement of heat. That is, we have to calculate delta H by H. Okay. Now we know h equal to, this is the I square RT. Now from this condition we can write this is the delta h by h equal to 2 into delta I by I plus delta R by R plus delta T by T. Now look at this, delta I by I has only 2%. So here 2 into 2%, so this is the 4%. Delta her 1%, delta T 1%. So look at this here, 4%, 1%, 1%. So 6% is the answer. Look at this, B has option 6%. Therefore B is the correct option. Okay, understood? Now next, question number 10. Length, breadth and thickness of a block are given here, 12, 6 and 2.45. Now we have to calculate the volume. Now look at this, length has two significant figure, breadth has one significant figure, breadth has one significant figure, and T has, that is thickness has 2.45, that is three significant figure. So to calculate volume, the volume has only one significant figure. Now look at this, 12 into 2.45, so this is the 33. Now 33 into 6, this is the almost 200. So this is the option. Okay, understood? Now next. Now question number 11. If the separation between the screen and point source increased by 2%, what will be the effect of intensity? We know intensity I proportionate 1 by R square. So look at this here, delta I by I equal to minus 2 delta R by R. Look at this here, delta R by R increased by 2%. So this is the minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4%. So intensity is decreased by 4%. Okay, understood? Now next. Now question number 12. The significant figure of the number 6.0023. Look at this, zeros between the two non-zero digits are significant, so it has 5 significant figures. Now question number 13. The error in measurement of radius of a sphere 1%, the error in measurement of volume. Look at this, we know volume of a sphere V equal to 4/3 pi, this is the small r cube. So here delta V by V, this is the constant and power is 3. So this is the 3 into delta R by R. Now delta R by R is the 1%. So this is the 3%. So option is C. Okay. Now next. Question number 14. The volume of a cube in meter cube is equal to surface area. Look at this. So V equal to, this is the 6x square. Now volume equal to x cube equal to 6x square. So from here x equal to 6. So what will be its volume? 6 cube, that is 216. Okay. Now next. Now look at this question number 15. The length of a simple pendulum is 100 centimeter known to be accuracy of 1 millimeter. So look at this here, delta L by L, this is the 1 mm divided by 100 centimeter, that is, this is the 1000 mm. If we multiply 100, we can get percentage error, so this is the 0.1%. Now, period of oscillation is 2 seconds determined by 100 oscillation of a clock of resolution 0.1 second. So look at this, delta T by T, this is the 0.1 divided by 2 into 100, this is the 200 into 100%. So look at this, this becomes, this cancel out, so this is the 0.05%. Okay. Now we have to calculate the error of G. We know g equal to, this is the 4 pi square divided by L by T square. So look at this here, delta G by G equal to delta L by L plus 2 into delta T by T. Okay, look at this, delta L by L, this is the 0.1%. Delta T by T, this is the 0.05%. Now 0.05 into 2, so this is the 0.1. Now this is the 0.1, this is the 0.1, so this is the 0.2. So option A is correct. Look at this. Okay. Now next. Now question number 16. The charge on the capacitor is given by Q equals to I alpha e to the power minus Ti by delta V epsilon naught beta, where alpha and beta are constant. T is the time, I is the current, delta V is the potential difference. We have to calculate the dimension of beta by alpha. Now look at this, the power has no dimension. So look at this, T into I divided by delta V epsilon naught, beta has no dimension. So beta equal to, now T into I is the Q. So Q by delta V into epsilon naught. Now look at this, Q by delta V means C. So look at this here, C by epsilon naught. Therefore, C equal to epsilon naught A by D by epsilon naught. So look at this is cancel out. So this is the A by D. Now A has dimension L square and D has dimension L. So the beta has dimension L. Now alpha. Look at this, Q equal to I alpha. Therefore, alpha equal to Q by A. Now, Q by A means time T. So, alpha has dimension time T, beta has dimension L. So, beta by alpha has dimension L by T, that is the velocity. Now, which quantity represents velocity? This or this? This quantity represents the velocity. Okay, so A is the correct option. A physical quantity A dependent on other physical quantity P, Q, R, S as given by A equal to root under of PQ divided by R square into S cube. Now we have to calculate the percentage error of A, where the percentage error of P, Q, R, S are given. Now from this relation we can write the relative error of A equal to half of a relative error of P, because P has exponent half, plus half of relative error of Q. Q also has exponent half, and 2 into relative error of R, because of R has exponent 2, and 3 of relative error of S. Now we have to put the given value of percentage error of P, Q, R and S. Now look at this, this is the half of, this is the 1%, and this is the half of into 3%, and this is the 2 of, this is the 0.5%, plus 3 of, this is the 0.33, means 1/3%. Now this and this cancel out. 0.5 into 2, 1, this is the 1, this is the 1, and this is the 3/2 and this is the half. So 3/2 plus half, this is the 2. Therefore 2 plus 1 plus 1, so 4% is the percentage error of A. So C option is correct. Question number 18. Look at this. The distance moved by the screw of a screw gauge is 2 mm for 4 rotations, and there are 50 divisions on its cap. Now look at this. First of all, pitch. Pitch is the distance advanced by the screw for one rotation. So 2 millimeter in 4 rotation, so in 1 rotation this is the half millimeter. Now total number of division in the circular scale is 50. Therefore LC is equal to pitch by total number of division. This is the pitch. So look at this. This is the half millimeter divided by this is the 50. This is the 0.01 mm. Okay. Now look at this. When nothing is put between the jaws, 30 divisions of circular scales coincide with the reference line, with 0 of the circular scale lying above the reference line. Look at this. This is the very important. 0 of the circular scale lying above the reference line. So it is the negative error. So error E equal to, look at this, minus 30 into LC. LC is the 0.01. So this is the minus 0.3 millimeter. Okay. Now when a plate is placed between the jaws, the main scale reads 2 divisions and circular scale 20 divisions. Now what is the thickness? Look at this. Thickness X equals to LSR plus CSR into LC minus error. Linear scale reading is the 2 division into pitch. Pitch is the half. Circular scale is the 20 division into LC, 0.01, and error, negative error, minus. So this is the plus, 0.3. Look at this. This is the 0.3, this is the 0.2, and this is the 1. So 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.3. So this is the 1.5 mm is the thickness of the plate. This is the D option correct. Many thanks for watching this video. This video will be extremely helpful for NEET, main and advanced. Please like, share and comment on this, and to learn physics easily and quickly, subscribe my channel. Okay.